helps the voiceless creature. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Vet Tutorial. In this video, we are going to study about the branches of pharmacology and terminology related to general pharmacology. But before starting this, subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon, and if you like this video, give a very big thumbs up. Let's begin. So first let's see what is pharmacology. Pharmacology word is derived from Greek word pharmakon, a drug, and logos, to study. Pharmacology is the study of drugs, including the sources of drugs, its physical and chemical properties, including physiological and biochemical properties, and also including absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drug. It also includes the mechanism of action of drug and its other effects and adverse effects too. Branches of pharmacology. First is pharmacy. It is a branch of pharmacology which deals with the collection, standardization and preparation of drugs so as to make them fit for administration to patients. Second is pharmaceutics or pharmaceuticals. It is a branch of pharmacology which deals with the large production of drugs. Third is pharmacokinetics. It is a Greek word, pharmakon, which means drug, and kinesis means movement. It is a branch of pharmacology which deals with the study of absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drugs, or broadly we can say deals with the movement of drug. It is also known as ADME studies. Then fourth is pharmacodynamics. It is also derived from Greek word pharmakon, means drug, and dynamics means force. It deals with the study of biochemical and physiological effect of drugs and their mechanism of action of drugs. Fifth is chemotherapy. Chemo means chemical and therapies means treatment. It is a branch of pharmacology which deals with the treatment of any disease with the help of chemicals. Then sixth is metrology. Metro means measurement and logos means study. It is a branch of pharmacology which deals with the study of measurement of drugs. Then seventh is pharmacognosy. Gnosy means source. It is a branch of pharmacology which deals with the study of sources of drugs. Then pharmacotherapeutics. It is the use of drugs for the prevention and treatment of any disease. Then ninth is clinical pharmacology. Application of pharmacology in clinical studies or observations. Then pharmacogenetics. It is a branch of pharmacology which deals with the genetic response of the drug in different individuals. Then experimental pharmacology. It is the branch of pharmacology deals with the study of drugs on various experiments. Then toxicology. It deals with the toxic or adverse effect of drugs on the living system. Then heliotherapy. It is a branch of pharmacology which deals with the treatment of any disease by the help of sunlight. Then pharmacometrics. It deals with the study of qualitative and quantitative evaluation of drugs activity. Then pharmacoepidemiology. It deals with the study of both beneficial and adverse effect of drugs on human and animal population. Then let's study about the terminologies related to general pharmacology. First is drug. Drug is derived from the French word drogue, which means dry herbs. It is any substance which modify the normal functioning of the body or reverse the abnormal condition to normal. Then second is dose. It is the quantity of drug administered in the patient in single shot. Example, 10 mg per kg. Third is dosage. It includes the quantity of drug along with the frequency and duration of the administration. Example, 10 mg twice a day up to 5 days. Then dosage or dose regime. Dosage of drugs along with the route of administration. Example, 10 mg per kg twice a day up to 5 days IV. Then loading dose. It is the initial large quantity of drug administered in the patient in the beginning of the therapy to get the desired pharmacological effect. Then maintenance dose. Dose of the drugs which is administered during the course of the treatment to maintain our desired pharmacological effect. Then lethal dose. It is the dose of drugs which leads to the death of the individual or substance. Then posology. It is the study of drugs for the determination of dose. Poso means how much. Then toxic effect या adverse effect. Effect produced by the drug which are toxic or detrimental to the individual or normal functioning of the body. Then side effect. It is undesirable effect produced by any drugs which may not be harmful or not be detrimental to the subject. Then SAR, structure activity relationship. It is the change in the structure caused change in the activity. Then pharmacopres. It is the official book of pharmacology that contains information about the selected stabilized drug and their preparations with description of their physical and chemical properties and test for their identity, purity and potency. Here we end the terminologies related to general pharmacology. Stay safe and let's meet in the next video.